G'day guys, Greg here. Now today I am back off to KFC. They've got their new burger out, the Bacon Lovers Burger. Well, it's not exactly new. I did try one about 5 or 6 years ago, but it was $6.95 back then. So how about we whip on in, grab one, I'll suss it out and see what it's like. I'm sure it's going to be awesome. Let's go get one. All right, well, here we go. The Bacon Lovers Burger, it still costs $6.95. And they reckon there's 5% inflation. Feels more like 25%, doesn't it, folks? Anyway, how about we suss it out? Ooh. Come to daddy! Oh, yes. I am a bacon lover. All right. Da, 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 da. That's looking all right. Right, what do we get on it? Well, we get one of their wonderful knotted buns with sesame seeds. How wonderful does that look? Then we've got, well, it's got their baconaise sauce, and I tell you what, they didn't go stingy on that, did they? Oh yeah, I love baconaise sauce, I think. Then we got some cheese. Then we got a piece of bacon. Man, that bacon looks like it's cooked. That'd be a first. Well, not a first from KFC, but from most places. Then that looks like a original tender there. And then we've got another piece of bacon. That's real bacon too, you folks out there from the US. And then there's another piece of cheese. And then under the cheese, there's more baconator sauce. Holy cow! That is a burger. Now, how about we suss out what this baconator sauce is like? Woo, mate. That is really quite strong. It tastes like a mix of mayonnaise, tomato sauce, and like bacon fat or something. It's pretty tasty. It'd want to be tasty because there's about half a gallon of it on there. And I can't believe how much cheese is on there too. 2 pieces. When did burger places start putting 2 pieces of cheese on their burgers? Oh, mate. It's taken a while, but I think they might have finally listened. Anyway, it's got that beautiful original recipe and the bacon on there. Real bacon. And, oh yeah, I am fanging for this bad boy. So let's go. Well, hang on. Just want to make sure this is original recipe. Oh, you know it is. Oh, man. Oh, sorry. I forgot I was doing a review. Oh, mind you, a fly's just landed in here. He's probably smelled the KFC. Get out, fly. You're not welcome. Well, there's a wasp just here. Mate, I tell you what, Australia is a very dangerous place. But is it a tasty place? Let's find out. Oh. 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 I'll tell you what, that chicken breast inside can get real chewy. And when you combine that chewy chicken in with that chewy bacon, it's It's next level chewiness. Especially when that baconaise sauce comes in and, oh, mate, it's a bacon lover's delight, I tell you. With a hint of original recipe. Oh, yeah, mate. I'm loving it. Actually, that's the wrong company. It's finger licking good. Mmm. 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 Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's right. Well, mate. Oh, not only do you get the chewiness of the chicken, the chewiness of the bacon, the deliciousness of that baconaise sauce, but you're getting that 2 slices of cheese, and when that cheese starts melting in your mouth, you just get this creamy burst of, I think they might call it a foodgasm. Man, this burger is creamy, it's dreamy, it's bacony, it's original recipe, and it's chickeny. And it's a mighty fine burger. But I wonder what score I'd give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, $6.95, mate, it hasn't gone up in 5-6 years, the price of this. That's amazing. And not only do you get 1 piece of cheese on it, but you get 2. And not only do you get 1 piece of bacon, you get 2. You get a chicken fillet, 2 bits of bacon, 2 bits of cheese, 2 bits of baconaise sauce. Although flavour-wise, I think it was still pretty good. I mean, the bacon in there was delicious, nice real bacon, cooked well, could be a bit chewy. You got that chicken breast in there, which is just delicious, coated in that original recipe, which is extremely chewy. You've got the baconaise sauce there that is just delightful, a real nice creamy, tomatoey mayo mix of deliciousness. And blend it all together, mate, you got a hamburger that you're gonna die for! Or die eating. So for my all-over value, all-over flavour, all-over taste, all-over everything score for the bacon lovers burger. And when they say bacon, for once, they're not lying. I think this deserves a... Is 20 out of 10 a score? Oh, look, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. That piece of chicken breast inside can get a little bit chewy, though. But I still think it deserves the score. Mate, what great value for money. What great value for taste. I mean, the taste could have been better. But still, value for money, everything on it, heaps of bacon, lots of cheese, mate. What more do you want? Whip on down to KFC, grab a bacon lover's burger. You won't be disappointed. And if you do go there, please, just tell them Greg sent you. Not only don't they care, but if they did care, I'd feel really special. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time I eat at KFC. See you then. Oh yeah.